GPT4All, a good tool for building private AIs. Executive Summary. GPT4All is a local private AI ecosystem created by Nomic for secure data processing. It runs open source models on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without needing the cloud. The architecture uses the Local Docs feature to chat with private files directly. Nomic trains these models using extensive AEC-specific data to automate construction workflows and code reviews. This system empowers developers and engineers to gain instant insights while keeping their sensitive intellectual property completely safe. Article GPT4All provides a private AI experience on your own computer. You do not need a cloud connection to use this software. Your data never leaves your machine during a session. This setup protects your privacy and your sensitive documents. Nomic creates this ecosystem for developers, teams, and power users. It works on several operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This flexibility allows many people to use high-performance AI locally. The architecture of local AI. The architecture of GPT4All focuses on local execution and high performance. It serves as a gateway to thousands of open-source language models. Users download the software to their own hardware. This local setup removes the need for expensive server subscriptions. It also ensures that the user maintains full control over the model. The software includes a powerful feature called Local Docs. Local Docs allows the AI to interact with your specific local files. You can point the software to a folder on your hard drive. The AI then reads those documents to provide better answers. This creates a local knowledge base for your personal use. The architecture supports full customization for every user. You can adjust the settings to fit your specific hardware needs. Information outside of the sources provides more technical detail. Most models in this ecosystem use the transformer architecture. This design helps the AI understand the relationships between words. Developers often use a technique called quantization. Quantization reduces the size of the model files. This process allows large models to run on a standard home computer. It focuses on using the CPU or GPU efficiently. These technical choices make local AI possible for the average person. Training data and domain expertise. Training data defines how an AI model behaves and what it knows. Nomic focuses on turning unstructured data into organized knowledge. They transform decades of information into AI-ready datasets. This data helps the models power domain-specific workflows. Nomic offers specialized models through their developer API. These models excel at search and document understanding. The company also focuses on the AEC industry. AEC stands for Architecture, Engineering, and Construction. They use a tool called AEC Bench to test their models. This benchmark measures how well AI agents handle construction tasks. The training data includes information from drawings, specs, and project data. These models learn to parse complex drawings and technical documents. Information outside of the sources explains the general training process. Many GPT4All models use instruction tuning. This means developers train the AI on thousands of prompt and response pairs. This training helps the model follow human directions more accurately. Some models also use distillation. Distillation involves a smaller model learning from a much larger one. This helps the small model perform like a giant one. These methods ensure the AI is both smart and fast. Professional and creative uses. Professionals find many practical uses for GPT4All and the Nomic platform. Engineers use the platform to gain instant project insights. The AI reviews complex drawings to find potential issues. It also checks for code compliance in building designs. These tools catch errors before construction even begins. This process saves firms a lot of money and time. Teams use the software to manage submittal reviews. The AI helps search through a firm's entire knowledge base. This feature is very helpful for project research. It allows employees to find old specs or data quickly. The platform also helps with writing tasks. It can generate RFIs and RFPs in a fraction of the usual time. An RFI is a request for information. An RFP is a request for proposal. Developers use the API to build their own internal AI solutions. They integrate search and document parsing into their firm's tools. This accelerates the design and construction of buildings. Security is a major benefit for these professional users. Firms deal with very sensitive intellectual property. Since GPT-All runs locally, the data stays safe from hackers and leaks. Speed and performance. GPT4All delivers speed and security at the same time. Local execution means you do not wait for a busy server. The performance depends on your own device's power. Nomic's platform accelerates every project and decision. It helps teams work faster across their institutional knowledge. This speed allows firms to stay competitive in a fast-paced world. The software empowers users to build agentic workflows. These workflows automate repetitive tasks for engineers and designers. Users ground the AI in their own data to ensure reliability. This grounding prevents the AI from making up false information. It provides reliable insights based on real project facts. Information outside of the sources notes the importance of hardware. Better hardware leads to faster response times from the AI. Many users add extra RAM to their computers for this reason. Some users also use dedicated graphics cards to boost speed. These hardware choices enhance the overall experience of using local AI. Conclusion and impact. Nomic helps firms unlock the value of their knowledge. They organize and connect critical data for every team. GPT-All makes this technology accessible to everyone. It bridges the gap between complex AI and daily work. The focus on privacy makes it a trusted tool for many. It transforms how people interact with their own documents. The system supports a wide range of needs. It serves the lone developer and the large construction firm. It handles everything from simple chat to complex drawing reviews. By keeping data local, it sets a high standard for digital security. Users enjoy a powerful AI assistant that they truly own. This technology changes the way we think about privacy and intelligence. Executive summary. GPT-4All is a local, private AI ecosystem created by Nomic for secure data processing. It runs open source models on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without needing the cloud. The architecture uses the local docs feature to chat with private files directly. Nomic trains these models using extensive AEC-specific data to automate construction workflows and code reviews. This system empowers developers and engineers to gain instant insights while keeping their sensitive intellectual property completely safe. I use Notebook LM to generate this blog using the GPT-4All website. Do you know that any private information you put into a cloud AI is used to train that AI? A private AI running on your own hardware is the best way to keep your private data private. I can help you set up a private AI on almost any PC or server. Contact me for a free consultation. If you get value from these blogs, please consider joining my Patreon as a member at the $2, $4, or $8 level. There are more than 400 previous blogs on my Patreon page. https://www.patreon.com/Steve Hovland.